How to cancel automatic deposits on Robinhood. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to cancel the automatic deposits or the payments on Robinhood, here is how you can follow the steps. First of all, launch the application or the website and log in. Once you have logged in, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the transfer option from the menu. Under the Transfer tab, you will see the option of Scheduled Automatic Deposits. Review the list of scheduled automatic deposits and tap on the specific one that you want to cancel. Once you have found it, on the details page of the selected deposit, look for the Cancel Automatic Deposit option. Then tap on it to cancel the deposit. And this is how you can ensure to manage and adjust your Robinhood account as needed. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.